Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by deciding why you need words, exam, work, or reading, and then target where they come from. Choose 3 reliable sources and scan paragraphs for unknown words used in context. Once done, filter candidates by relevance and frequency. Prioritize words that show up across sources. Make sure to capture example sentences and part of speech immediately. This gets you past fuzzy setup and straight into a focused, evidence-based word list you can act on today. Now you analyze each candidate. Check frequency and common collocations so you learn useful patterns, not isolated terms. Break words into roots and affixes to speed memorization, and add 1 or 2 synonyms to deepen understanding. Then create spaced repetition cards that combine definition, a short context sentence, and a prompt for active recall. Alternate short review sessions with longer practice. This layered approach turns passive recognition into reliable production over weeks. Finish by forcing output. Write short paragraphs, explain words aloud, and use them in conversation or notes. Once practiced, test yourself weekly using mixed recall and recognition formats to catch fragile knowledge. Make sure to cycle troublesome words into daily reviews until they stabilize. If progress stalls, cut the list to 10 core words and rebuild from there with richer examples and tighter repetition. This troubleshooting reset prevents overwhelm and restores visible momentum toward mastery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.